Hello children, welcome to ASA Education. Exercise composition 1, Wren and Martin High School Grammar Books. ये आपकी बुक 2 है composition part, जिसमें हम part 1 analysis, transformation and synthesis करेंगे. उसका ये chapter 1 है analysis of simple sentence. इसकी exercises 1 to 7 है, जो हम एक एक करके अपने वीडियो में करेंगे. In the following sentences, separate the subject and the predicate. अब आपको यहाँ पर subject और predicate को अलग अलग करके बताना है. The cackling of geese saved Rome. The cackling of geese, ये हुआ आपका subject. Saved Rome, predicate. Stone walls do not imprison me. Stone walls, subject. Do not imprison me, predicate. All matter is indestructible. All matter, subject, is indestructible, predicate. No man can serve two masters. No man, subject, can serve two masters, predicate. A sick room should be well aired. A sick room, subject, should be well aired, predicate. I shot an arrow in the air. I, subject, shot an arrow in the air, predicate. A barking sound the shepherd hears. The shepherd, subject. A barking sound till hears, predicate. Up went the balloon. The balloon, subject. Up went, predicate. The naked every day he clad. He, subject. The naked every day clad, predicate. Into the street the piper slept. The piper, subject. Into the street slept, predicate. Sweet are the uses of adversity. Sweet are the uses of adversity. The uses of adversity, subject. Sweet are, predicate. Dear gentle patient noble Nell was dead. Dear gentle patient noble Nell, subject, was dead, predicate. ये आपकी एक्सरसाइज थी ऑन सब्जेक्ट एंड प्रेडिकेट. अच्छी लगी, समझ में आई, सब्सक्राइब करिए. ASA एजुकेशन. मिलते हैं अगली एक्सरसाइज.